Introducing the Media panel. With this handy tool, you can add and replace images in a jiffy. Just drag and drop them onto the canvas. For example, if you want to try out different images for this hero section, it's as simple as dragging and dropping various images to preview them. If an image doesn't fit your vision, just discard it back into the panel. You can keep experimenting with different images until you find the perfect one, and then drop it to replace the existing image. This feature works with all widgets that include images, so whether you're working with a shape, a gallery, a slider, or even the backgrounds of columns and sections, you can change them all. The best part? You don't need to know the origin of the image. Just drag and drop to replace it. Adding new images is also incredibly easy. Simply drag and drop the image you want directly onto the canvas, instead of adding a widget first and then selecting the image from the menu panel. You can use both site media and stock media by navigating to this tab and searching for the images you want. You can replace and test different images at your leisure by dragging and dropping them onto the canvas, and you won't lose your scroll or your filters. This gives you the freedom to preview as many images as you want. You can also upload images using the button in the footer, or import images from various sources. Use the new content collection form to capture media from your client, import images from an existing website, or pull from online platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, Facebook, and more. To manage all your media, you can open the Media Manager from this context menu or from the top bar. And that's it. Have fun exploring the Media panel.